Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got this triangle ABC that has been partitioned into two compartments, as you can see in this diagram. And moreover, this line segment AD is 21 units, whereas this line segment is 28 units, along with this 30 degrees in between them. And furthermore, this line segment DB is 35, whereas this line segment EC is 14. And now we are going to calculate the area of this blue shaded quadrilateral. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. Let me make it very clear that this figure may not be 100% true to the scale. Let's go ahead and get started. And here's our very first step. Let's go ahead and scan this diagram, and we can see that the area of this big triangle ABC is equal to the area of this triangle ADE plus the area of this quadrilateral DBCE. And now if we move this area of this triangle ADE on the other side, then the area of this quadrilateral DBCE is going to be equal to the area of this triangle ABC minus the area of this triangle ADE. So therefore, our task is to calculate the area of this big triangle ABC and then the area of this triangle ADE in order to calculate the area of this blue shaded quadrilateral DBCE. And here's our next step. Let's go ahead and calculate the area of this triangle ADE. And we are going to use the basic trigonometry to solve this given problem. And now let's recall the area of a triangle formula. Area equals to a half times AB times sine of C, where A and B are the side lengths of this triangle, and C is the angle between them. So therefore, in our case, our side lengths are 21 and 28, and the angle between them is 30 degrees. So therefore, the area of this triangle ADE is going to be a half times A in our case is 21, B is 28, sine of 30 degrees. And now we know that the sine of 30 degrees is 1 over 2. So therefore, I'm going to replace this 1 by 1 over 2. So therefore, this is going to become 1 over 2 times 21 times 28. And then over here, I'm going to replace it by 1 divided by 2. And if we simplify everything on the right hand side, that is going to give us 147. So thus the area of this triangle ADE turns out to be 147 square units. And here's our next step. Let's go ahead and calculate the area of this big triangle ABC. And once again, we are going to use the very same formula. Area equals to a half times AB times sine of C. And in our case, this whole side length AB is going to be the sum of these two individual lengths. So that is going to give us 56. Whereas this side length AC is going to be the sum of these 28 plus 14. That is going to give us 42. And the angle between them is 30 degrees. So therefore, the area of this big triangle ABC is going to be a half times our side lengths are 56 times 42 times sine of 30 degrees. And once again, sine of 30 degrees is 1 divided by 2. So therefore, I'm going to replace this sine of 30 degrees by 1 over 2. So therefore, this is simply is going to become 1 over 2 times 56 times 42 times 1 over 2. And if we simplify everything on the right hand side, that is going to give us 588. So therefore, the area of this big triangle ABC turns out to be a 588 square units. And here's our final step. Let's go ahead and calculate the area of this blue shaded quadrilateral DBCE now. And we are going to fill in the blanks in this equation. So therefore, the area of this triangle ABC that we have just figured out is 588 minus the area of this triangle ADE is 147. So I'm going to replace this one by 147, and if we subtract everything, that is going to give us 441 square units. So thus the area of this blue shaded quadrilateral turns out to be 441 square units. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.